Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a granny square heart. It's made almost like a regular granny square with some color changes. You will need to know how to crochet granny square. So please see my beginner granny square video if you need it. The granny square heart looks great from the front, but do not since we are carrying the yarn, there might be some flecks of colors showing through on the back. You can use this pattern for any crafts you like, for example, bags, pillows, cardigan, pouch, and anything. Also, you will need this chart which shows where to change the colors. You can just pause the video here to view it. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like, and comment below. Let's make it together. We're gonna start the granny like the pretty much every other granny square with the chain 4 and a slip stitch for a ring. You'll make a chain which serves as the first double crochet. When in the ring, you will do 4 sets of 3 double crochet and 2 chain. Make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, and 3 double crochet, 2 chain. Repeat this 4 times. Join with the double crochet in the 3rd chain of the first. We want to start new round in the corner, so move in the chain space by the slip stitch and make 3 chain, and then make 2 double crochet in the same space and then 2 chain, and again make 3 double crochet in the same space. All corners will get 3 double crochet and 2 chain and 3 double crochet, followed then by a chain 1, and then once all 4 corners have been complete, you'll slip stitch to the corner and close the round. Do it until the end of the row. Make 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet in each corner. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain. And now you can see I've basically just made 2 rounds of a granny square using pink yarn. Now we take out our chart for round 3 because that's we're gonna start changing colors. Make 3 chain and 2 double crochet and 2 chain and 3 double crochet, and I have to change to the green yarn for the middle 3 stitches. So I place the slip knot on the hook and finish my last double crochet, and then make 3 double crochet in the next space. And now for the next corner I need pink yarn, so I put my blue yarn in the front, bring up my pink yarn from the back and finish the last stitch with the pink yarn. Now the next several stitches according to the chart, I will be crocheting the pink and carrying the green yarn and crocheting over it. Now I'm changing my yarn. I crochet with the green yarn and make a chain. Put the pink yarn inside my stitches and make 3 double crochet in the middle space. And now chain the yarn in the pink for the corner, and I'll be switching over the pink yarn again, and I'll carry the pink yarn and crochet the 3 double crochet and 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the chain 2 space. In between the corners, the 3 double crochet along this side will be made with the pink yarn to form the side of the heart. However, once get near the bottom left corner of this square, I will be switching over the green yarn again and carry the pink yarn and crochet over it with the blue yarn as I make the required stitches. So the bottom of corner will be made with the blue yarn, and then right in the middle of the bottom of the square, which is actually the bottom point of the heart, I need to switch back to the pink yarn for the next 3 stitches, and then after that I need to switch back to the green yarn for the next corner, make a chain and 3 double crochet in the chain space, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the same place. Then switch back to the pink yarn, complete the double crochet stitch, make a chain and make 3 double crochet in the next space, and then 1 chain, hide the green yarn between the stitches, join with the slip stitch in the 3rd chain. The heart is becoming more evident at this point, so I need to do one more round to complete the pink heart. Basically, the 2 upper corners need pink yarn and 1 set of double crochet stitches next to each of those 2 corners. The rest of the square will be blue yarn. Make 3 chain and 2 double crochet with the pink yarn, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the same place. And switch the color of yarn and 1 chain and make 3 double crochet in the each next chain spaces, 3 double crochet, 2, 3, and 3 double crochet in the next space, 1 chain, 3 double crochet in the next space, 1, 2, and 3. And now I must change the yarn into the pink and 1 chain, make 3 double crochet, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the corner space. What I'm showing you now is the finishing round 4 complete with those 2 upper corner and done with pink yarn and 3 double crochet in the next space. Now change the yarn, make 1 chain and hold the pink yarn between the stitches and make 3 double crochet, 1 chain and make 3 double crochet, and 3, 2 chain and 3 double crochet in the corner space. And now 3 double crochet in the each chain spaces, 1 chain, 3 double crochet, 1 chain and 3 double crochet in the next space. Take the pink yarn between the stitches and in the corner space again 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, and in the next space make 3 double crochet and change the color of yarn to the pink and complete the double crochet, make 1 chain and make 3 double crochet in the next space. And now I'm finishing up with the pink yarn. Take the blue yarn between the stitches and make a slip stitch to the first double crochet of the row. And here is our heart. And with the slip stitch, I'm going to the corner and cut the pink yarn and fasten off. And I'm gonna do with the blue yarn only. And the blue yarn will be used for the remaining 2 rounds left on the granny square. Actually, it's up to you at this point how many more rounds you would like to do. You can continue with 2 more rounds of yarn or change things up a bit. After this round, you can make this square as big as you want. You don't have to change the color, and if you want, you can change the color. And just keep going along, just followed by the chart and keep going the crocheting as big as you want. In the corner, 3 double crochet, 2 chain, 3 double crochet, do it until the end. In the end of the row, join with the slip stitch in the first double crochet, and in the last row make 2 chain and make 1 single crochet in the each stitches you have, and in the corner make 2 single crochet, then 1 single crochet in the each stitch. In the each double crochet you had 1 single crochet in the each 1 chain space and 2 single crochet in the each corner space. do it until the end. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the second chain that we made in the first of the row. Cut the yarn and fasten off. I use the tapestry needle and hide the yarn and move between the stitches in the wrong side. Here is my granny squares heart that I have make it. You can make it for your crafts, cardigan, blanket, or anything you like. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like, please let me in the comment below. If you would like to subscribe, that you would be helpful, and if you like this video, please share it to your friends that you know they love to watch it and make it for themselves. Until next time, guys, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you in the next time. Bye.